Melanie Holcomb, and I'm a curator of medieval art at the Metropolitan Museum. I live in Brooklyn, and I take the subway to work every day. I love the New York subway. I am fanatic about it. It's complex, it's intricate. If one line doesn't work, another one will. And I am astounded by how much of that information is conveyed in the subway map, which is just an extraordinary piece of communication. What's great about the subway map is that it's not only about spatial distances, about relative relationships between one stop to another, it also conveys time. This gets me back to the Met, like this celestial globe that charts time and space, not just the position of the stars, but their movement over the year as well. Look at this one from the Marshall Islands. It was made by a navigator, not so much as a map in the Western sense of the word, but as an aid to remembering the swells and currents of the ocean. I wonder why it is that we love maps so much. I think in part it has to do with the fact that it allows us to be God for a minute. It allows us to understand the underlying order of a vast geographical space or a complex system of things we cannot even see, the heavens or the body, like this map of the inside of the head, or maybe just places that are far away, and it allows us to grasp it all in a single glance. But it also allows us to entertain the possibility of a journey, of imagining how we're going to get from one place to another and what those various routes are. With this Vermeer painting, I used to always look at the woman and think about the room that she's in, but now I also see the map and I think of all the places it takes me to. Is it about grasping the world at a single glance, or is it about setting off on a journey? It's a little of both, I think, that makes maps, or looking at maps, such a pleasurable experience.